Hello everyone, today I have a new model from the brand Rollin with a 5% to a chase unit. Emergency vehicle series, and it is a police interceptor unmarked unit. Is this my first rolling model? No, I recently did a review about this one and I was really satisfied about the quality and the looks of it, so I decided to buy another one. I got mine from AliExpress and you can find the link in the description down below. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more diecast. I also have some cool figures that fit really well with it, called 2 Agent Dual Set from the brand Moreart. But first we're going to have a look at this car. Inside this package, really well packed. And by the way, I believe the chase is bare metal version. Well, you can say that's not really what I want, because basically it is a not finished model. Okay, first we're going to have a look at the box. So here we can see it's a 1/64 scale for adult collectors. Limited availability, so limited edition. That is what we like, don't we? Okay, yoo-hoo! It's not the chase. If it was the chase, I had to order another one. And they are around $25, €25, something like that. So that's not cheap for one car. Here, cool picture of the car. Display case, so it is well protected. Only downside, you need some tools. You need a tool to take it off the base. Unmarked unit, doesn't say anything about how many are produced. Okay, so here it is, just like the other one. It looks very cool. Oh, this one even got a light here on the side. Ford logo in the middle, Lance lights. Windows here on the side. I already see a computer in the middle. We got heating in the back window. We got a brake light. So those are a lot of cool details. There is no license plate. That's a little bit of a downside in my opinion. Well, I can place a license plate on it, but maybe the makers had something like, this is an unmarked car, so no license plate. Okay. Yeah, base, it's a plastic base, but with silver exhaust and a lot of details. Rubber tires with good rolling wheels. Authentic rims, no opening parts. Let's have a look inside. And then we can see the computer. Just like last time, I'm going to say it would be cool if there was some colored details on the dashboard and on the computer. Now it's just a black screen. What is possible when it is off, but yeah, would be cool. So there is room for improvement, but this is pretty new brand on the market, so give them some time. Yeah, this was the other one I got, NIPD. This one comes with a license plate and a $10,000 reward, and there's also something here. You have to check the other video to see what's on it, but like I always say, it's always good to refresh your diecast memory. And this one also has a computer here, so they have the same interior. Is that true? Yeah, that's true. Okay, Now let's have a look at the figures, and then we can create a cool setting. It's still in the plastic. Let's take that off. Figures from Moreart are really well painted, and they have a lot of variations. Many different figures. You can check some of those out on my YouTube channel, and I'm definitely going to do a video where I show all of them in the future. Gold 2 Agent doll set. Translation is always a little bit strange. Barcode, article number. Let's have a look. I believe it comes also with some accessories. Yep, there they are. So we see 2 oil drums, some box, some green gum, so the figures will stay on its place. I think I pushed too hard. I broke something, but it's not a figure. Okay, the gum fell off. So here we got manly figure with a gun, blonde hair, good face, no details on the face. Will it stand by its own? I think not. No, you definitely need that green stuff. This is the barrel or oil drum. Always handy also to use in other dioramas. Whoa, you got 2 of those. Here a box. You never have enough accessories. Okay, this is the woman. To be honest, now I'm looking at this. This one is totally looking like Scully from the X-Files. And this is a blonde Fox Mulder. Well, a little bit. This one needs to be a redhead, but her face looks like Scully. And also the clothes. Awesome. Okay, now I'm going to make a nice setting. Back in a sec. So I made this scene pretty simple in a diorama next to the Diecast Dude movie theater. Good movies, by the way. Yeah, there's also a Street Fighter arcade machine. Barrels are over here and the box is on top. Put a license plate on the car to make it a little bit more realistic. And blonde Fox Mulder and Scully Brunette are catching an alien, or maybe the cigarette man is inside, who knows. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and see you next time. Bye.